So for today's video, we have an example. I found it's really interesting uh, to find the answer of this expression. So we have 12 divided by 2 times 3 divided by 2. So what should the value of this expression be? So many of you will think as doing first the multiplication. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 12 divided by 6. So this is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. But that answer is incorrect because here we are talking about a division and a multiplication. So by the rules, if in a mathematical expression you got brackets, that's the first thing you do. Then if you got division, if you got division or multiplication, that is the second. And if you got summarize or deduction, add or deduction, that is the third thing, the third action you make. So for our expression, we have, as I said, multiplication and a division. So by the rules, to find the value, we have to go from the left on the right. In our left, we have the division. In our right, we have multiplication. So the correct answer would be 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 3 divided by 2 is equal to 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. Or we could find it very easily by doing 6 divided by 2 first. So 6 is written as 2 times 3. 2 with 2 is deducted. We have 3 times 3. That gives us 9. And the correct answer is, for our expression, 12 divided by 2 times 3 divided by 2 is equal to 9. That is all for this particular example. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos. And if you have any inquiries or anything you want to see in one of my videos, you can hit up and comment below an example that you find not understandable, and I will try to find an easy solution. Make sure to share it with friends who need to learn basic math or advanced math or chemistry or any physics which has difficulties on understanding them.